Hola, or subscribe on. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. So in this video, we're gonna be analyzing the GBpUSD and the gold. Yeah, I think those are the most important pair that I am currently looking at. So if you're still new to the channel, please do me a favor, just click the like button and subscribe right now. Subscribing is very important. I see a lot of people watch the content, but they are not clicking the subscribe button. Please subscribe. We're trying to reach 10k subscribers by the end of this month, so please subscribe. So I hope you guys are okay, man, and you can hear me properly. So you watched the last video, was the podcast. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I saw you guys comment regarding me being poor podcaster and all those stuff. Guys, you guys forgot very easily that I'm just a forex trader. I'm not a podcaster or an interviewer or whatever you want to call it. I'm just a forex trader, so I'm just doing content for you. So just give me time. Give me time. I will improve. I'll become better. But I've basically read all your comments, and I appreciate all of them, and I appreciate everyone who spent time actually watching the video. If you haven't watched the video, please make sure you watch the previous video and make sure you like this one. Let's get into it. So firstly, I want to start with the gold, because the gold was probably the most setup that I was looking at. I literally posted the setup of the gold on Facebook. Né? I posted it. Okay, let me just show you. There it was before it even happened. There it was. There's the gold setup. There's the gold setup. So I'm gonna try and make sure I explain everything why I decided to go short on the gold. Nah? Go short on the gold. So this is what I was looking at before it even went there. So if you pay attention, like I've always said, pay attention. Let me zoom it in so you can see proper. So if you pay attention a lot to your left hand side, there you see that there's a lot of things that is happening on your left hand side that actually predict the future. So if you want to be good at your analysis, make sure you spend a lot of time looking at your left hand side, because there's a lot of activity or price action that is happening on your left hand side. So firstly, we have this peak, you call it. You see the price is creating high highs, high lows, high highs, high highs, high lows, and then it created a new high here, and then it went again. So if you could just look at this peak, pay attention to this peak corner, pay attention to this, and then the price went here, and then it went up again, and it went here, and it went up again, and then it broke. So pay attention when the price decided to broke this level. This candle was very big. This candle was very big, showing you, telling you basically there's a huge activity. Remember, whenever a price is breaking a certain level, it's gonna have a huge momentum, showing that that level is important. So by this candle, I can see that, okay, it broke this level, so this level is literally important. And having this point here, this peak here, which is almost like a Quasimodo, but not really a Quasimodo, but this was just a clue that this level was important. So what you needed to do was just draw a horizontal line just on the high of the peak. So here, so let me just highlight it for you. This peak, you see, at this peak. So this peak, so you see that this was a very important level. You see how many times that the price repeated itself on this peak. So 1, 2, 3 after I decided to break through. So after breaking this level, I know that in mind, okay, since the price has decided to break this level, if it's gonna retest for the first time coming at the same level after breaking it so hard, it's gonna react, so it's gonna drop. So for the first time test, I know it's gonna react. So just highlight this point, showing you. Let me show you my entry point. So my entry point has to be somewhere around here. So somewhere around here. So that's how I was able to actually spot, okay, when the price decides to come back here, this is where I'm going to sell, because this level is very important, because I have so many characteristics showing that this level is important. So guys, make sure you pay attention to your left hand side. Whenever you're doing analysis, make sure you pay attention to your left hand side. So the price have broken this level, né? So when it comes back again here, I'm gonna be looking for a sell, and then I'm gonna be putting my stop loss just above here, né? Just above here. So what happened is the price decided to come exactly where I thought it will come again. So it came here again, it came here, then I went for a sell, and then when I went for a sell, then the price decided to what? To drop. So this was a very easy setup. We posted it on the group, and I posted it on my social media. You can test my social media, Ayanda Sokhela. You can go on my YouTube, on my banner, you'll see my real name on Facebook and on Instagram, but I'm usually active on Facebook, né? So just follow me on Facebook. You'll see that this guy really posted this setup. So this move, we really ate, guys. This was a very nice drop. We really ate on this move. So I'm expecting the price probably, because I'm already out, but this price probably might react here at this point. So at this point, this is the price where it might react and then decide to go up again. But it's not a very important price. But I'm looking a lot of spikes here, a lot of spikes. So this level might be important for the price to go up and to rally up again. So let me show you. Let me just zoom in here at this point. So if you can see properly, you can see at this point, this is where the price might react moving up. So I'm not really interested in this, because I'm already out. Honestly, I didn't want it to see the entire move, because I was just extremely happy with the profits, and the swap was very nice, because the swap was positive. You know, when you're holding those trades, when you're holding negative swap, they're so annoying. So this was a very good trade. I took it. If you took it on a group, congratulations. So yeah, man. So let's just go look at some other stuff. The pound against the dollar. So let me just go. This is against the Swiss French. So this was another setup that I'm looking at. This is a very nice setup that I am looking at. So this one is nice as well. So let me show you what I'm looking at here at this point. This is very nice, but it's gonna be tricky, but this is a very nice setup. But first thing first, I want to zoom out so we can see the entire thing, what is happening on the whole price. You know, so the entire thing, what is happening on the whole price. So by just drawing this horizontal line here, you can see, okay, this vertical line, you can see, okay, this price has been going to this certain level, né? Has been going to this certain level. So you have this point here, this point here, this point. But I'm not really interested in this trend line. So what I'm looking at is what is currently happening right now. So what is currently happening is this. We have the price literally breaking the structure. So I don't know why that happened. So we have the price creating high highs, high lows, high highs, high lows, high highs, high lows. Basically, high highs and high lows is a trend. So this is an uptrend, né? So from here going up, this was basically a nice uptrend. This was an uptrend. So this when the price decided to break the structure. So it was creating high highs, high lows, high highs, high lows. But if you can see here properly, the price decided to break the structure at this point, because it created a lower low, lower than the previous low. So it's no longer an uptrend. So if I could just draw a horizontal line here, you can see that the price decided to break this level. You see it has broken this level, broken this level. So it already has created a new low. So this entire structure has been broken. So when the structure has been broken, you already know that now you are looking for the opposite momentum. So this was an uptrend, so the opposite momentum will be a sell. Yeah, so already know that you're looking for a sell, so I'm just looking for my entry point. So we just have the simplest Quasimodo here. So we have this shoulder here. You see this shoulder here? Let me just draw it for you. This shoulder here. So we have the shoulder here. You have this shoulder here, and then we have a head. Let me draw it for you, making it more simple. Making it more simple. We have a head. 1, 2, 3. So we have a head. So we have a shoulder and a head. Basically, I'm not looking for a head and shoulder. I'm looking for a Quasimodo. So you have a shoulder and a head. So your entry point, the pound against the dollar, is exactly where I am looking for my entry point. So my entry point is always have to be on the left hand side, which is the left hand shoulder. So I just have to draw this point. Draw this point. This is where your entry point is. So this is gonna be a nice sell. So let me just try and delete this, so because there's something I want to show you that is inside. Okay, let me just delete here. Okay, as well. So this is your entry point, just exactly on the left shoulder, right? Just exactly on the left shoulder, but not just looking at the left shoulder as your reference to actually sell. This base candle is actually telling you this is a very nice supply zone for a sell. So you have to put your sell here, draw your sell here, because this is the higher time frame. You can't put your stop loss there. You know, if you put your stop loss above the head, you're gonna lose a lot of money. So make your stop loss just at least, because if I could say put it, if you put it here, it's gonna be too tight, né? So it might trigger. So just put it at least above this side. Above this side. Just put your stop loss above this side. Let me just above here. So put your stop loss above here. So this one, you're going for a sell. It's gonna be a very nice sell, guys. This is gonna be a nice sell. So sell it here. If you're watching the video, just sell it here and put your stop loss above here. This trade, I'm actually looking at to actually drop in such a way that, because if you can see this, there's a huge FTR on the high time frame at this zone. This is a huge FTR, because you can see this point, this point, this point. This is a very nice FTR level. So this was a very nice FTR here. This was a very nice FTR. So you see the price broken the FTR, and this is almost like the third test, not the greatest test, but this is a very nice FTR. But if you can see these tests, 1, 2, both of these tests never really reach its full potential, going back down to this zone. This was the zone it was supposed to actually hit your TP. So if this price decides to drop, I'm expecting it to drop around here. This take profit, but if you are happy with your take profit, you can close it here. So I hope you find this video very effective, and you are looking for a very good broker, just go to the link on my description for a first broker or a platform. Just go there and sign up, and make sure you watch the video, you like the video. Honestly, make sure you like the video, and I hope you find this video very informative and educational. So thank you and bye for now. Make sure you click the like button. I will really appreciate if you guys click the like button. Click the like button right now and comment. Do you think we should have another interview? Do you think we should have another interview? Do you find this video effective? So make sure you click the like button. I would really appreciate that. I would really appreciate that. I would really appreciate that. Yeah, it's a very nice trade. I would really appreciate that. So